welcome to Katrina's Creations Wednesday edition. We have a lot of acquisitions to unbox today. Well, some of them will be unboxing, some we'll be talking about. So let's get started. The first is some happy mail. This is from Dimitra Zamas. The first is some happy mail from Dimitra Zamzas. And she made me this handmade card. Even has a little painted leaf on the back. And she made me some handmade buttons from wood. This is just really cool. So here is what it looks like. The yarn, this is just yarn here fastening them in place. But this is made from some wood on her property, so they are some handmade wooden buttons, and you can see they have like a live edge on the side of them. So very exciting. I have a sweater I'm going to work on eventually that is like a chocolate brown that I think will look really good with this. So thank you again, Dimitra. So the first is Touch of Linen. So let me take it out of the box, or out of the bag, so we can look at it a little bit closer. There it is. It is Touch of Lemon, and the color is Leek, and it's kind of a real light yellowy green. It's looking pretty true to color from what I can tell. And it is a 4-weight, so it's a worsted weight. Let's see, 197 grams or 180 meters. And what is the fiber content? Does it say? Okay, here we go. It is 51% cotton and 49% linen. It feels like a rough cotton is what it feels like a textured cotton. So this is actually, I think, going to be a hat. I'm not sure. I don't remember what I bought it for, but I think that's what I bought it for, was to make a hat. Then next, I'm saving the best for last because there's some that's really pretty. I have 2 skeins of Rewind. And Rewind is, this colorway is called Trade Winds. It's really soft. Now this is a tape yarn, which is flat like a ribbon. So there you can see it. I've never knit or crocheted with this, and this is extremely soft. It is a 5-weight, so it's considered a bulky, and it is 70% polyester, 30% viscose. And there are 219 yards or 200 meters per skein, and I have 2. So I have 438 yards. This is what I thought I bought to make a hat with, but I don't remember what I bought to make this with anymore. Maybe I bought to experiment making hats. I'm not sure. My supervisor has made some really cute hats that are kind of like sun hats, almost like a sun bonnet, but it's like a wide brim, and they have this really cute bow at the back. So I'll have to ask her which one she used it with. But they're really cute. And I was like, oh, I'd like to make one of those for myself. So I'm not sure which one she did. But anyway, those are the 2 things. Now for the really pretty thing. Look at that. Yes, this is, it's called Anya. If you hear some noise in the background, our bedroom's on the other side of this wall. Dave's talking to his mom on the phone. So this is a 4-weight, and this is called Anya. It is 100% superwash merino. It is very soft, and the color of this one is, I know I saw it in here. I think it's just called fuchsia. Doesn't it say anywhere? I'm not even seeing yardage on this anywhere. Oh, there's the yardage. Okay, here it is, your fuchsia bright. And there's 200, it's really tiny, I had to really look for it. There's 240 yards or 110, is it 110? No, 119 meters per skein. And I have 2 of these, but look how pretty this is. Is that gorgeous or what? I have no idea what I'm going to make with it. I just saw it and thought I would give it a try because it's something from Lion Brand that I have not tried before. So like I said, I have 2 skeins of this. It has some dark in it too. You can see the kind of dark colors in here as well. So yes, really, really pretty. Like I said, no idea what I'm going to make with that. I just thought it looked like it'd be fun to experiment with and to check out. Now we come to the big box, which is this. And this one I can't open yet, and it's driving me crazy because this is from Yoka. Yoka lives in the Netherlands, and you will have seen Yoka's name pop up in the show and tell section quite often. She weaves, she spins, she knits, she crochets, she does Tunisian crochet, and yeah, lots of that. You name it, she pretty much does it as far as fiber. Well, back last spring, she and I decided we would exchange a yarn advent calendar. So I'm dying to get into this. I keep shaking it. I can hear something in there, but I can't open it till December 1st. So I have sent hers off in the mail too, but mine's not this big. This is a big box. So yes, I am just excited to get into this, but like I said, I will be good. I will not rip into it till December 1st. But that being said, I will have a video every day in December because each day, what's in this box are 25 mini skeins of yarn that are 10 grams each. So each day I will be opening up a different little skein of yarn. So that'll be fun. Especially since with her living in the Netherlands, she has different yarns available to her than we have in the US, and I have different yarns available that she maybe can't get in the Netherlands. So that kind of makes it fun too. And these are yarns that we didn't go out and buy. Well, we bought them at some point in time, but they're left over from different projects we've made. So that kind of makes it fun too. So yeah, so Yoka, I know you're probably watching, so close your eyes for just a minute and plug your ears because I'm going to show a picture of what yours look like before I sent it off. Okay, now Yoka's I sent out the other day, and I was going to roll them up into little balls. Well, the balls are about this big, but I thought, oh, they'd look so cute made into little teeny mini skeins like these, but on a mini form. They're so cute. They're literally this big when they rolled up, like, you know, like about half the size, about the size of my hands, just my fingers balled up. They're so cute. They look like they belong to American Girl dolls. Yeah, they're really cute. So I am going to insert a picture of what they looked like before I wrapped them all up individually and put them into the bag to send over to her. So here it is. So that is it for today. I want to thank again, Demetra. Thank you. That will be put to good use. Not sure which sweater pattern I want, but I think chocolate brown is going to look gorgeous with this. So yes, so we have that and the Lion Brand yarn and the box that I really want to dig into, but I will not because that would not be good. So yes, I'm hoping I don't cave to temptations. So that is it for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow because tomorrow we have my bariatric journey video. So make sure you tune in to see what's going on as far as that. So that's it for today. Thanks again for watching. Bye, everybody.